Hello, welcome back. Cauliflower rice or arroz de cauliflower in Spanish. So cauliflower rice, I decided to make this video very briefly to show you how I take a cauliflower and make it into a cauliflower rice. And I have two methods, one that I do manually and another that I do with a food processor. So I'm going to show you both methods. What I'm not going to show you is, the draining process of the water and how to cook with it and stuff like that, because that's not the purpose of the video. How you cook with it, it depends on what you're cooking, and draining the water depends for, most of the time you have to drain the water out, but that depends of what you're cooking. In this case, once again, I'm focusing from the moment you grab that cauliflower, the big thing, how to cut it and how to make it into the rice, into that grain. And that's the only thing I'm going to show you very briefly. So, go nowhere. Let's have some fun. Subscribe if you haven't. Share. But more importantly, let's create. So cut in half. Start taking the leaf out. Then I use the thicker side of the, to grate this. I'm not going to use the thin side. So I transfer everything to a food processor and I'm going to put in pulse. And I'm going to do this until the cauliflower is like rice-like. I transfer the cauliflower to a container. I'm not even going to bother draining it. This is couscous. I just want to show you how thin this one is. This is Moroccan. But it has about 37 grams of carbs per serving, which is about 1/4 of a cup. 0 grams of carbs. Doesn't matter how much you eat.